Between Hergé and the aviation, it's a very long and beautiful love story.
It's all about finding the right partner, and we believe that
like this is when you have a good team, a good material and a nice facility. But without an amazing drawing, without the amazing idea, a lot of people, and this is it.
I think it will be for the people traveling on this aircraft the opportunity to fly on a unique aircraft conveying the Belgian values. So very, very proud to have Tintin painted on an aircraft.
this is maybe just the first one. It's all down to Brussels Airlines, but we're very, very open to continue.
The secret is very simple. Tintin is alive.
I remember when I was a kid and where you were seeing somewhere in the south of France some special ships, you were saying it must be the ship of Rackham Le Rouge or of La Licorne. So it was kind of obvious. You know, very often we name aircraft with names of cities, which is a bit dull. So I think calling it Rackham is much more cool.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, I think we've waited long, and now I propose you to discover, so you need to look that direction, Rackham, the new symbol of partnership between Moulinsart and Brussels Airlines, and a particular thank you to all the team of Brussels Airlines.